again and welcome to my second vlog. If you haven't seen my first one, I've linked it in the description below. I've been itching to paint a horse for ages now, and I finally got round to starting a painting. I always like to start with the eye because I find that I can't see the piece as a whole until that is in. But also, if the eye isn't right, then no matter how good the rest of the painting or drawing is, the animal will never look right, which is particularly important in a commission. It's the next day now. I mentioned in the last vlog that Amber is having her first season. We've been doing training with her and Eli in the garden, but Eli was starting to go a bit stir crazy. So when I got home from work, I took him out for a walk around the paths near our house, and we both thoroughly enjoyed it. I spotted this grassy nest, which brought back memories. Did anyone else make these on the school playing field? Then I got back to the horse painting in the evening, starting to block out the colours in the face. My camera stopped filming though because the card ran out of space, so I have done a bit more than this. But I've not done any since because I need to decide the direction I want to take with it. I think it has to be bolder colour choices and looser brush marks. Hopefully that will feature in a future vlog. What better opportunity to introduce you to Toby? He's the horse that I have on loan. Now, on to Wednesday, which is my day off from the day job. And we spent it sorting out the bottom of the garden, digging out tree stumps, building the wall and levelling the patio. It's looking so much better already, and I've planted a few plants that I had spare. We have a river behind us, but you can't really see it unless you climb down a bit, so we are going to be putting a proper fence in. We've been deciding whether to have panels or picket. So at the moment we have piles of sticks everywhere to keep the dogs in. There's still a long way to go with the garden, but it's a huge improvement from when we moved in. It was literally a jungle. I'll insert a couple of photos of how it used to look. We can't get this tree stump out. We need a better saw to get through the roots. But Adam managed to get this one out that had grown on top of the slabs. We had a visit from this little newt. I don't know what type this is, so if there's any experts watching, please let me know. I was really excited to see it, seeing as they are protected species. I'm tempted to make my own little wildlife pond now. Since filming this, we've finished the patio, all bar getting the stubborn root out, and then one more row of slabs. this is what it looks like now. This is what I'm currently working on, a little floral wreath in coloured pencils. I've got a few ideas for this once it's finished. Definitely note cards and maybe a motivational print. I'm going to film a time lapse of this for the next vlog. I've always wanted a wildflower patch, but I've never had any luck just scattering seeds, so I thought I'd do it properly this year. But this was about 2 weeks ago now, and there's no signs of anything sprouting yet. It's either naff seeds, or maybe the slugs are eating the seedlings as soon as they poke through the soil. Most likely the latter, as the slugs are eating the new growth on a few of my other plants. I've protected those plants now and that's helped. I'm going to try sowing the wildflower seeds in a seed tray instead, and hopefully I'll have more luck with that. I don't often buy things for myself, but I decided to treat myself to a beautiful print from Tiffany Francis Baker, a talented writer and illustrator, and I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of it on here. She sent me this beautiful bookmark with it too, and a lovely thank you note. This tiger is so striking. I'm putting that up on my pin board above my desk. Thank you, Tiffany. I really love the print and can't wait to find a home for it. I've linked Tiffany's website in the description below. Do go and have a look at the rest of her work. Amber's finished her season now, so we've been enjoying walkies again. It's nice to see the bluebells, and you can really notice all the bird song with the absence of cars. We decided to walk to the pond that's near our old house because there are normally ducklings on the pond. Someone looks after the ducks and feeds them daily. And as you can see, we weren't disappointed. There were 17 in total. Aren't they adorable? Look at this little one jump. So, that's the end of my second vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!